We've created ExcelWay to be the easiest tool to use in order to brainstorm ideas during an online workshop. Say goodbye to complex tools and confusing UIs that create unnecessary hassle for your invitees. In ExcelWay, the participants' experience is so simple that you can easily have them on board and give a voice to any type of audience, no matter their tech savviness. We've also produced ExcelWay to allow you to build your self-confidence in your facilitation journey. If you're new to collaborative meetings and events, we recommend you start small and go on to building more elaborate workshops as you feel comfortable. In this video tutorial, we'll learn the basics to run a brainstorming session and how to use some advanced facilitation features. A brainstorm is a part of your workshop meeting in which you lead participants to share their ideas by writing them on sticky notes, also called cards. For your brainstorm to be successful, you need to make sure that your participants are given clear instructions. That's why we've included the present step as the first part of your activity's facilitation workflow. This step is to remind you to communicate the goals of the activity and make expectations clear. During the present phase, participants don't get the Add Card button on their screen yet, nor can they share their ideas. Once you've finished communicating the activity goals, you can allow participants to start adding sticky notes by clicking the Start Brainstorm button in the facilitation workflow. If you have preset different sticky note colors, you can choose here the colors that you want your participants to use during this brainstorming session. In this case, we want participants to reflect on successes and challenges that occurred in our previous community project. Therefore, we'll need two colors for this brainstorm, one for successes and one for challenges. When a brainstorm is running, notice the banner that appears on top of the activity, as well as the animation playing on the brainstorm button. At any time, you can stop a brainstorm and prevent participants from adding any more sticky notes simply by clicking again on the brainstorm button. There you have it. You collected precious knowledge from your audience in a fraction of the time. Now, let's have a glimpse at some advanced features you could use to facilitate your workshop. Using our case example again, once we have collected information on past successes and challenges, we'll want to explore ideas on how to repeat the successes and prevent the challenges for our next community project. To do so, we're going to split our audience into two teams and have each team reflect on either successes or challenges. We'll go ahead and create two separate activities on ExcelWay, one for each group. From our original activity, we'll click the magic wand button, then select Turn Cards into Lists. We'll first select the cards representing the successes and turn them into lists that will be located in the activity focusing on successes. Voila! The ideas shared in the first activity have magically turned into new lists, allowing participants to run another brainstorm and dive deeper into the topic. To allow the second team to work on how to prevent challenges, we'll go ahead and repeat the process with the challenge cards. The two groups of participants can now work in parallel on different topics and generate even more ideas. Once they're done, we can bring the ideas of the two groups together in a single activity. To do so, we'll head to the Magic Wand menu and select Move Cards. This feature will duplicate the cards of your choice and move them to another activity. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how to select and prioritize the best ideas using the voting feature. Ready to keep going?